So this question number 14 over here is saying that if a sum of money placed at compound interest compounded annually doubles itself in 5 years. So every 5 years it is getting doubled. Whatever is the principal amount, it gets doubled in 5 years. Then the same amount of money will become 8 times of itself in how many years? So this is again a very simple question. You assume your P as 1 unit, right? So in the first 5 years, this money gets doubled and becomes 2. So now in next 5 years from this point onwards, you get this money gets doubled, so this becomes 4. Now from that point onwards, again if you consider 5 years, this 4 also gets doubled and becomes 8. So all in all you are dealing with 5 years over here, 5 hours over here and 5 hours over here. This one became 8 times that of itself. So if you add them up, you're going to get your answer as 15 years. This is again a very simple question in which money was becoming n times of itself, and this is how you should look at it. If some certain time period which is given to you, you have to keep on multiplying it until you get the final answer.
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page, where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.